Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add shop button on Facebook page. So open your Facebook page. So get into your page. So let me get to my page here. Alright, so so once you log into your page, and also make sure you are the admin of that page. So just make sure you have the admin role on your page so that you can make changes to your pages. So that's it. So once you're done with that, so once you're on your page and you've already logged on as an admin, so what you have to do now is go to your page, like click on your page. So here you'll have the three dots here, so click on the three dots, and here you'll have an option called add action button. Click on it. So when you click on it and click on edit button, so here we're gonna add this here. So under, you'll see an option called view shop. Okay, so click on that. All right, so click on that, and then here you go to choose where is your shop. Is it on whether when people access your shop button, where is that going to take you? Is it going to take you to your Facebook shop or another page or another website? So you got to choose that based on whatever your expectation is. So if you have set up a shop on Facebook already, so you can just choose the first one, set up Facebook shop, and then click on it and then click on save. Or if you're going to want to link it to another website, so you can just click on that and then mention your website here and click on save. So once you set that up and then hit on save, and that's it, your shop now button will be added to your page. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.